Hello. So this is the complete project. So here is the client. At first, we look at the client. So client is basically it is the whole React application. So in this client, this is the React for front end. So here is the main part of this React application is SRC. So if I go to SRC, there will be number of files or folders. So here is actions, it is the redux actions, all of the actually endpoints, all of the endpoints like this is the API, REST API that comes from Node.js or Express. So it will hit that's endpoints, and it will retrieve a data. So that data is sent to uh, the payload as payload. It will send to the redux store. So we will get that from this store. This is the redux store. Here I am getting all of these products by getting by via reducers. So what is the reducers? Reducers is a process of this reducer is the process of the redux. So it will handle the some of constants. It's come from constants. So it will take care about this exact what it could be whatever. Okay. So it is not the constants is just a string. It's not anything. It's just a string, but it has to be exact name. Okay. So on this, so by this we are getting this type action type by these constants, and we are returning as a as like a placeholder. This is the state, default state is empty user, but while the auth constants sorry auth action will hit this endpoint, that times reducer will cache the payload as this action that payload. This payload is comes from this payload. Okay. So when reducer gets data as payload, that times it makes fill of the user. Okay. That times it will not empty user, it will get uh, user it will fill with user data. Okay. So I will show you in this redux store. So like this. Okay. Sorry. uh, if I go, here is the redux dev tool. You can install on your Chrome extension. Okay. You will get after installing it, it will get in here. Okay. So now let's see. Okay. Let's see, for example, product details. About product details, when I click on a product, it hits on this product details endpoint. Okay. Now the product is already in here because I used local storage for storing the current data of this product details. But if I click BMW, okay, BMW is selected. Okay. Now I am going to open the product details of Lenovo IdeaPad. So if I create on it, okay, it gets Lenovo IdeaPad. That means that product reducer is filled with on this part, as it as the Lenovo IdeaPad's this particular product data will be filled on this request. Okay, as like as product reducers as a product details reducers. Okay, this product is currently empty object, but while we click on it, it will fill with this dispatching with this product data. Okay, so actually it's not easy to understand make you understand everything by this way. So I just try to basic some things to understanding you. So this is the, you just remember this client is React application. Okay, our other files is for Node.js application. Actually it will take care for other like Node.js, Express.js and MongoDB. Okay, so the main part of this Express application is server.js. Here here is the main server is serving, actually our application is serving for backend on this server.js. Okay, so here is the Express. This is the main import for Express. I imported it, and I just use it as app record. Okay, this I made it for another file, just for make clear some of information from it. Now it is very less of code, but it is clear. But it's possible to include all of these codes including the server, but for a clean code I just made them two separate files. Okay, so here will the app.js will handle all of the routes. Okay, backend routes. So this API, this auth route will handle all of the authentication system like login, logout, or register, this kind of systems. The users API users, this route will handle the user uh, um, route. That means user can be deleted by admin, user can be updated by user, user can edit his profile. All of these users actions will be um, contained on this user route. Product routes will handle all of the product routes, products endpoints. Category will be handle all of the category actions, or its offers will like this. Okay, I think you got the point. So what is the auth route? Auth route is the um, okay, let's see the routes, auth routes. Okay, so here is the three part. Here is handling all of the routes. Okay, but route has to be registered on a server files. That's why app.js is doing his job to registering his files. Like there's API plus auth, but here is I just use register. Okay, it will get automatically API plus auth plus register, but I no need to use them in here. API plus auth plus register. It will take it will take care in here because I just imported this file into here, like routes. Routes means this folder, and auth means this auth. Okay, it gets I imported it and I just registered it in auth, the main route file. Okay, all of these are the same way. And there is another thing, the controller. Okay, so now I think you got this point for abscess. So now controller. So what does the controller actually? Controller do the as like as this register user. Okay, this is the function. So go to the auth controller. Okay, so I exports it register user. I exports means I'm exporting this file to anywhere. So now I can cache it auth.js from route. Okay, it is from route. I just catch it by actually it is called object destructuring of JavaScript ES6 feature. So I am catching on those controllers file, like register user. Here is all of the logics are written by actually written for register user. Okay, as the same token I can make this jwt token for caching the token, like you just sign in and you are staying on here. Okay, it may be 7 days you can stay here, after it will actually remove automatically, right? Okay, so these stuffs are all of these logics are handling on this register file. Also login user login file. Okay, so these things are catching from auth.js, and it just register like uh, yeah, it just register on this route. This is the actually uh, this is, yeah, this router is served by express.js. So this is the actually endpoint. It will make this endpoint for all of these users, all of the controllers. Okay, so here all of it is actually oh, this is the model. It is the database model. Okay, so I have to define um, data I want from actually users. Okay, so now while we create a product, that's my time we input a name. Okay, we input a name. Sorry. Okay, this is the product schema, this is the reviews schema. Okay, so the user who who created this ad or product. Okay, so this will get automatically by logged in user, but we need to import name like product name, exchange with, I think you can guess these things actually, name, exchange for, exchange price, estimated shipping, this description. All of these things are modeling for our database in here. Okay, this models on this models file. So all of this file, actually all of these objects are modeling for our database images. Okay, address on, address of phone, number of offers, customer offers. Okay, now it's exporting, and like this way we can add those fields and when we post it, it hits this, it will hit uh, like okay, let me say, it will hit this product. Okay, this create product. Okay. This create product. Okay, so this route, when we hit post, it hits this create product for backend. We are doing in this front end, but it hits this create product for backend, and all of data will be saved in database, in our database MongoDB. Okay, so then we can get all products. Okay, when we are getting all of these products, when we are, so this loading means it gets time to retrieve data from database. That's why this loading is happening. Okay, this loading is happening, this times this 1 second time are getting actually responding from database, these items or products. Okay, so this is the things actually I can actually what I do. So I think you got understand something, or if you need to know anything, so let me know, I will explain you.